everyone, welcome back to our channel English with Sanjana. Today I am going to teach you a small topic. It is about prepositions. There are different prepositions in English language. But today I am going to focus on only 5 prepositions. They are on, under, in front of, between and in. Let's look at the first example. There is a cat on the table. So in this sentence, there is a preposition. Friends, can you identify it? Very good, friends. On. Now I am going to ask few questions. Where is the cat? Very good, friends. The cat is on the table. Who is on the table? The cat. The second preposition. There is a cat under the table. In this sentence, the preposition is under. The first question. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Who is under the table? The cat. Third preposition. There is a house in front of the school. In this statement, the preposition is in front of. Where is the house? In front of the school. What is in front of the school? The house. Next preposition. There is a pen between two boxes. Here the preposition is between. What is between two boxes? A pen. Now here, it tells the location of the pen. So we use between to identify where the pen is. The last one. There are pencils in the pencil box. Here the preposition in this statement is in or inside. So what is inside the pencil box? Pencils. This is the end. Today I have covered 5 prepositions. So I hope to cover the next prepositions in my next videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you find this video interesting, useful, please subscribe to our channel and allow notification bell so you don't miss any new videos in this channel. I will see you next time. Bye.